How's it going, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. Today we are swim bait fishing, I guess. We're throwing swim baits for bass. I'll be throwing this BullShad here. I got it in the water. Oh great, now it's stuck. It's a super unique bait. I don't know if you guys ever seen this bait before, but it's a BullShad. I'll leave all the links down below. This thing is super cool. That's what it is right there. It's a jointed swim bait, so it swims really crazy action. So if you guys are new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, leave a comment down below, hit that thumbs up if you guys like it. If not, it's cool. Yeah, let's get to some fishing. See you guys on the water. Holy smoke, the water's low. Ooh, water's cold too. Alright, we start off with this BullShad here. Catch yourself some fish. Got one. Oh, dude, I actually got a smallie. Nice. Oh, on the BullShad. Okay. Chill. Nice. First smallie on the BullShad, guys. That's a good sign. Oh, that's a giant. That's a giant. That's a nice smallie. Oh, that's a freaking nice smallie right there. Oh, not a giant, but it's big for the swim bait. Wow. Want to take a look at it, buddy? It's a smallmouth. It's a smallmouth bass.
Wow.
Want to take a look at it?
It's huge! Well, that was fast. Yeah, you did a good job.
Thanks.
Oh my god.
I got lucky.
Yeah, can we watch?
Yeah, for sure. If I can get it out here.
That guy is huge. Wow.
It's a nice bass. Healthy.
Yeah. Yeah. Wow.
Who wants to release it?
Me.
All right.
Can I release it?
Yeah, you can release it.
Yes. Oh, I can.
Yeah, you can touch it. Yeah.
Are you fishing? Yeah, try not to drop him though.
Yeah, just like that. Yeah,
sure.
it's fine. You can hold him in the mouth right here.
Oh.
His teeth it's not sharp or anything, so you can hold him.
Oh,
yep. Just watch the spines, okay?
Okay.
Yeah, I'll hold the mouth and you can let it go. All right. Get on that flat rock right there. We want to get in the current. Sure, you don't want to hold it?
Sure.
Nice, dude. Good job. All right, go ahead and release it. Yep, there he goes.
Oh my.
Good job, buddy.
Hey, go.
It's okay. I'll let him wait. Get up first. Oh, baby ducks. No. Let's hook the baby ducks there. Got him. Little guy. Dang. Jeez. Chill, bro. Chill. Holy smoke. Oh, right in the... Dude, you're a goner, man. Sorry, dude. Whoa. Saw that? Got him. Oh, no. That was a big one. Oh, dang. Guys, don't try this at home. That was cool. In the current. Oh, dude. Oh, God, nice. That was cool. That was cool. Dude hit it like 4 times. Sheesh. There we go. Off the BullShad. Tons of fun. Alright, so before I fish this spot, this was the spot where I donated one of my BullShad. Watch this clip. Ooh. No! Oh, my BullShad. What? How'd it break off? Dang. There goes my BullShad, guys. Yeah, pretty funny, right? So, yeah, let's not do that again. See if we catch some fish here. See, there's a smallie here. Whoa, got him. Oh, first cast. That's a giant smallie. Oh my gosh. Dude, that's a giant smallie. Whoa. That's a freaking giant smallie, guys. On a mag draft. Holy smoke, guys. Dude, look at that. Oh my gosh. There's a freaking huge fish. Wow. His first cast. What the hell? We gotta weigh this thing, guys. Oh my gosh. Gotta weigh this thing. Way to kick it off. Oh my gosh. $3.7, guys. $3.7. Holy smoke. That is amazing. Look at that fish. What a freaking giant. Whoa. I don't know what just happened. Like, I don't know what just happened. A freaking 3.7 just crushes it. Got another one. Oh jeez. Dude, it's so crazy up here. Holy smoke. Dude, it's so crazy. On the mag draft again. What the heck? Nice little 1 pounder. Look at that. Freaking choked it too. Go back up. Oh, I guess you're going back down then. Oh my gosh. My mag drive is just destroyed. Got a hit, but they're small. They're not big ones. Got him. Oh, it's a freaking pike. Oh, it's a giant pike. That's a nice pike. That's a nice pike. Dang, I knew the way how he hit it too. It's a nice pike. Look at that, guys. Let's go chill up here. Wow, look at that pike. Jeez. As long as I stay in the water, I'm good. Gotta open your mouth, buddy. I can't get out. There we go. That's a nice pike. Holy smoke. The scars on that. It's off. Woo. Nice smallie. Oh, oh yeah. Swim bait power, guys. It's that time of the year. Power of swim bait. Woo. Oh, okay, I guess. Alright guys, so we're gonna head out. I didn't want to stay too late because I got to prep for tomorrow. Me and my brother John were actually gonna go out and probably do some catfishing. I don't know if that's gonna go, but the water's really shallow. You guys see in the video, a lot of the bass are just kind of cruising around. They're at that weird stage where they just don't want to eat anything. Yeah, I mean, that's it. The BullShad went great. I'll talk to you guys once I get back home, and I'll let you guys know about the whole, how I feel about it, the feedback. Stick around, and I'll see you guys back at home. All right, guys. So, oh man, finally made it back into my messy room here. But let me give you guys my input about this swim bait right here. It's a very unique, fun swim bait. I'll tell you guys that right now. It's fun to throw, it's fun to swim, top water, wake, whatever you guys want to call it. I like it. It is my first jointed swim bait. For my humble opinion, the hookup ratio wasn't that great, only because I understand the smallies were probably smaller than usual, but I can see like a 3 pound, even a 2 pound largemouth inhaling this. The tail did go through a little damage there. As you can see, it's kind of like flared off, uneven, but that's fine. That's what lures are made for, made to get beat up and used and, you know, catch fish. So the technique that I was doing with the swim bait here was fishing shallow areas, like shallow current, shallow breaks between rocks, areas that I know smallies will sit, areas that I would throw a swim jig or a tube or a top water at. This guy really triggered the bigger bite, so that was pretty cool. I mean, it worked, right? We caught some fish. As you guys saw, the other swim bait I was throwing a Meg Draft. I know you guys know that one. That one's very popular. I use that a lot in my videos. It was cool. We caught some smallmouths, caught some big ones, caught some small ones. Well, with that being said, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Again, it was just a quick fun outing. I encourage a lot of you guys to throw it because it does change the game. It does draw the bigger fish. It's a little bit more challenging. It's actually a lot more challenging, and it's fun to throw. And it feels good when you catch a fish off of it. So check it out. This is the BullShad. I'll put the link down below where you guys can get it, and I'll see you guys on the water next time.